नमस्कार। स्वागत है आपका इनविंसिबल हिमाचल यूट्यूब चैनल पर।
Geography Paper 1 Paper 1 includes Principles of Geography. It is divided into two sections, Section A and Section B. Section A is Physical Geography. Its first topic is Geomorphology, which includes Earth movements, orogenic and epiorganic folding and faulting, earthquakes and volcanoes, isostasy, Wagner's theory of continental drift and plate tectonics, rocks, origin and composition, weathering, mass wasting, concept of cycle of erosion, interruptions in the cycle of erosion, geomorphic agents and processes, erosion, transportation and deposition, fluvial, glacial, Aeolian, arid, karst and coastal landscape. Second topic, climatology, atmospheric moisture, humidity, evaporation and condensation, hydrological cycle, types of precipitation, world patterns of rainfall, air masses and fronts, its concept, classification and properties, atmospheric disturbances, that is, tropical and temperate cyclones, thunderstorms and tornadoes, climatic classification, Köppen's classification. Third topic in section A is oceanography. It includes circulation of oceanic waters, waves, tides and currents of the Atlantic, Pacific and Indian Oceans, marine deposition and coral reefs, oceans as storehouse of resources for the future. Fourth topic, environmental geography. It includes man-environment interrelations with concept of ecosystem, utilization of natural resources and environmental hazards, emerging environmental issues, that is deforestation, global warming, conservation of biodiversity.
Now section B of paper 1. This is human geography. Topic for human geographies are: first, population geography. It includes demographic cycle, concepts of overpopulation, underpopulation and optimum population, population problems in developed and developing countries, migration, its causes and pattern from past and present, and its consequences, number, density, growth and distribution of population, population pressure and resource utilization, population explosion and food security. Second topic is economic geography. Distribution and utilization of water, mineral and energy resources, their economic and environmental significance and conservation, types and distribution of forests and fisheries, their economic and environmental significance and conservation, major soil types and their distribution, problems of soil erosion and soil conservation, mineral resources, which includes iron ore and energy resources, coal and petroleum. Our third topic for section B is rural and urban settlements. its definition, types and patterns. Origin and evolution of urban settlements. Functional classification of urban places. Trends, pattern and problems of urbanization in the world. Now comes paper 2. Paper 2 includes Geography of India and Himachal Pradesh. Its distribution is as follows.
First is physical settings.
India, a land of diversity, unity within diversity. A detailed study of physiographic divisions of India. Drainage system of India. Soil types of India, their distribution and characteristics. Vegetation types and their distribution. Second topic is population and agriculture. It includes septal patterns of population distribution and growth. Socio-economic implications of population explosion. Major agriculture crops, that is rice, wheat, cotton and tea. Green Revolution and its impact. Problems of Indian agriculture. And the third topic is minerals, power resources and industries. The status of their use and need for conservation. Minerals, iron ore, power resources, coal, petroleum and hydropower. Septal pattern of iron and steel and cotton textile industries. Industrial regions of India. The fourth topic in paper 2 is Geography of Himachal Pradesh. It includes geomorphology, climate, drainage, vegetation, hydropower and horticulture of Himachal Pradesh. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।